I am
Yes.
appearing in serial number
Yes, very
32. I'm
Jabalpur
sorry that I'm through a
Before
video
to
conferencing.
proceed in this matter also by my senior friend, what I'd like to make mention also there are two applications which has been listed today for first time. So in these two applications also, I'm just praying 2 weeks time to file reply.
No, my lord, so far I am concerned,
There are two applications for which lordship that reply has
So
already
I'll
been
grant
filed.
you time. किसमें चाहिए आपको?
Lordship, that one case is at item number 93 and
93.
93, yes. So connected lordship.
So I'll grant you time. File objection is.
Yes, lordship. And there is one other application that is been listed in this bunch of the cases, lordship, that is Rajen Kumar Gupta.
Yes.
So in that reply is prepared, lordship. I will be filing it today itself during the course of day. So it may kindly be taken on any date, whatever date is convenient to my.
How much time you want?
It will be filed lordship during the course of day today itself.
93 and 32.2.
Yes, 30.2 में तो सर आज ही मैं कर दूंगा. 90.3 में सर at least a week time may be given to my losses.
After 1 week. Yes.
My lord, I appear in serial number 32.
No, I am hearing rest of the matters. Yes.
I am there through the
No,
video
93
conferencing, my lord.
after 1 week. ये इसमें एक हफ्ते बाद 15/4.
Yes, sir.
15/4.
And there is one other Rajen Kumar Gupta also, in which I will be filing the reply during the course of day. So it may kindly be taken on any date.
Next week.
Mr. Sankalp Kochar has been appearing in that.
Lordship, I am appearing. You are appearing next week. Yes. Now
Well,
what
the-
about 32, 32.1?
Yes,
But 32, I am appearing, my lord. I am there through the VC, my lord. I am out. Therefore, I am.
Yes, yes.
I am there in 32, my lord.
Yes.
And in point 1, Mr. Dutt appears, my lord.
So you will address first.
I can address, my lord.
Yes.
There's no issue. My lord, these are cases that, in fact, the FIR has been registered against 11 persons, my lord. And the
Yes.
12th in the FIR has been termed as an unknown person, unknown public servants, my lord. I filed the copy of the FIR that has been filed by me as Annexure A2, my lord. It starts from page 25 in serial number 32, my lord.
Yes.
The allegation starts from page 29 of Annexure A2, my lord.
No, A2 is medical certificate.
My lord, I'm addressing in 32, serial number 32, my lord.
You are addressing in 32.1.
No, 32, my lord.
32.
32.
I appear on behalf of Mr. Bansal. My lord, I appear on behalf of.
32.1.
Yes, 32.1. I am there.
Yes, you are referring to A2.
A2, my lord.
Yes.
And that's the copy of the FIR. And the allegation starts from page number 29, my lord.
Yes.
It says, my lord, information has been received through a reliable source that Shri Anil Bansal and Shri Kunal Bansal are director in Messrs. Bansal Construction Works Private Limited, Bhopal. The company has been awarded various road projects of National Highway Authority of India, Government of India, including laying of 4 lanes of so-and-so and Vidisha Marikori in Madhya Pradesh and Nagpur bypass in Maharashtra. Other projects across the state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. The source has also informed that the directors of the company have been delivering bribes to various public servants. My client, he is the project director in NHAI, my lord. The sources
Yes.
are also informed that the directors of the company have been delivering bribes to various public servants through their employees in lieu of issuance of the completion certificate, process of bill, smooth progression of the awarded works, etc. by NHAI. The source has also informed that Shri C. Krishna and Shri Jain Kumar, both employees of Mrs. Bansal Construction Works Private Limited, delivers bribes to the public servant in Nagpur. Shri Nitin Rajak and Shri T.M.S. Rao, both employees of Mrs. Bansal Construction Works Private Limited, deliver bribes to the public servant in different locations in Madhya Pradesh. Sources have further informed that Shri C. Krishna, employee of Mrs. Bansal Construction Works Private Limited, is in regular contact with Shri Arvind Kale, General Manager of the Project Director, NHAI PIU Nagpur, for clearing pending matters, including processing of pending bills and issuance of completion certificate in the project Outer Ring Roads. Sources are also informed that on 28/2/24, Shri Arvind Kali, General Manager and Project Director, NHAI, the basic allegation is this, my lord, that the Bansal Construction that had been delivering bribe to the authorities of the NHAI, my lord. And then they say that incident had taken place where 2 persons they were apprehended, C. Krishna and Arvind Kale. C. Krishna is the person from Bansal Construction and Arvind Kale is the General Manager of NHAI, my lord. And then they say that search were conducted after this and some amount was found with different authorities of the NHI. These are the total allegations. On the strength of these allegations, all those offences under the PC Act, they have been registered. Section 7, Section 8, Section 9, Section 10, Section 11, and Section 12, my lord. As far as I am concerned, my lord, basically there is no, in fact, there is no allegation of demand being made by him. Now, I have been taken into custody on 3/3/24, my lord. Since 3/3/24, I am there in custody. Nearly 1 month has passed. The custodial interrogation is over. The CBI did not sought for a demand after 12/3/24, my lord.
Yes.
Except for the recovery. They say a search was conducted, and in the search, an amount of 20 lakhs was found from my position, my lord, from my house. I have been discharging my duties. I was appointed in the year 2006, my lord. I also went to Netherlands, where I performed my duties, my lord. So as far as the earning part is concerned, that is required to be explained during the course of trial, whether this is the bribe amount or not, because I was never caught. If they are saying that the phone calls were tapped, all those things, as far as I am concerned, there is no allegation that I ever demanded anything from anyone, my lord. So demand is basically missing over here. Nearly 1 month has passed in custody. As far as that part is concerned, the custodial interrogation and all is concerned, my lord, that is over. They did not seek the police remand after 12/3, my lord.
Yes.
Just also. Mr. Lawson, can I appreciate that there has been the recorded conversation of the TMS Rao, through which the money has been delivered to the present applicant also. The money has been delivered to the extent of rupees 20.50 lakhs, and the same amount has been recovered. The amount has been recovered is also 20 lakhs. Also, just may kindly appreciate the page 185 also.
Yes.
This is a recovery of the amount also.
So this is recovery. Where is conversation?
Conversation lawsuit that mobile has been seized, and that extract has been done lawsuit, but the transcript still has to be prepared.
It's
What
not
that-
available in the case diary.
It is not there also, because it is under the process also. It is under the process for the preparation of the transcript, and then the matter has to be examined for the, and the matter has to be sent for the voice identification.
So there is no evidence as such today.
Lawsuit, there is evidence in the recorded conversation lawsuit. But so far as the transcript is there, lawsuit, it has been under the process.
So
It is
where
not
it
there.
is? कहाँ पे है?
Yes, lawsuit.
Where it is?
Lawsuit, it has been
Recorded
there.
conversation.
Conversation. The instrument which is in which the conversation has been recorded lawsuit, that has been seized, and that has been kept in the concerned Malkhana also. But and the extract of that mobile and other things also, that has been done, and the transcript is still under the process for the preparations.
Yes. Applicant.
But as far as I am concerned, my lord, what they are saying, the transcription is still required to be made. As such, my lord, there is absolutely no evidence of demand. Nothing is there. They say the conversation of TMS Rao was recorded, my lord. As far as I am
Yes.
concerned, there is no conversation at all. They have also stated in the reply, my lord, but where is that conversation? Where is the transcription? If within 1 month they could not do it, it is merely in the air that they are making this statement. And what I submit, my lord, that as far as the investigation part is concerned, vis-a-vis me and all those persons who are there in custody, that is still that is over, my lord. क्योंकि डिमांड की बात तो कहीं ना कहीं
They are having a copy of CD.
मतलब सीडी में हमारे खिलाफ कुछ नहीं हैगा. ये स्पेसिफिकली बाहर आ जाते इस बात से कहते हुए कि ये सीडी में ये हैगा. They are not stating that. My lord, just have a look at the reply that they have filed. It is nowhere mentioned like that.
In reply, you have stated what is there in CD.
No, they have not stated, my lord. ये कहते कि हमारा कन्वर्सेशन था डिमांड का, ये कहीं नहीं कहा इन्होंने. And section 7 would not be attracted over here, my lord, as merely a recovery
Also,
of
may
that
kindly
amount.
come to page paragraph 8 अब my reply है at page 7.
Yes.
There is evidence in the form of the recorded conversation, oral and documented evidence that during the relevant period, applicant accused Sri Brajesh Kumar Sahu was Deputy General Manager and Project Director NHA PIU Harda, and handling the project Harda Batul executed by the company of Sri Anil Bansal and Kunal Bansal. During his tenure, PCOD is the sort of the completion certificate which is issued by the authorities concerned in respect of the particular project, was issued for the project investigation, has revealed that on 28/2/2024, TMS Rao delivered the bribe amount of rupees 20.5 lakhs to the present applicant Sri Vijay Kumar Sahu at his Harda residence. Search was conducted by the CBI on 3/3/2024 at the residence of Sri Vijay Kumar Sahu, and an amount of rupees 20 lakh cash was recovered from his residence in presence of independent witnesses. The accused applicant Vijay Kumar Sahu is an offender of serious offence of the corruption laws. We have taken that stand also, but there has been a recorded conversation. A recorded conversation has been with the persons through whom the money has been delivered, and the money has been transferred from the main persons also. So there is evidence. So far as the transcription is concerned, also that has to be prepared. It has been under the process also. It takes time because we have to scan the relevant data, and then that data has been given the transcription forms in order to just place it on record in the case diary. So it has been under the process also. There has been some other documents also which has been seized from the premises of the
recorded conversation is the only evidence with you, and seizure of 20 lakhs.
Exactly. So at this serious stage.
Yes.
Well, as far as I am concerned, Malad, the trap was organized. What they are saying in the reply, that two persons they were apprehended. One is G. Krishna from Bansal. He was delivering an amount to Arvind Kale. Now, if there was a recorded conversation with me, they could have similarly laid a trap against me also on that very point of time when they recorded that conversation. Basically, as far as I am concerned, Malad, there is no demand, there is no recorded conversation with me. They are saying the recorded conversation in respect to Rao, not against me, Malad. And if it was existing, Malad, they could have filed, or it ought to have been the part of the case diary. So, sir, the demand part is
conversation is between
with Rao, Malad. This is what they are saying. Malad friend says only that, Malad. Or Rao
and the present applicant in respect of the demand of the
he is saying that you are also, your voice is also there.
No, Malad, it is not that. There's no allegation or demand against me, Malad. Let them point out that part of transcription. Where is that part?
Read the statement of Premas Rao.
I'm not talking about the statement. He's trying to read some statement of some accused probably. Rao is the person, Malad, who has been apprehended along with C. Krishna. C. Krishna is the employee of Bansal.
He is also an accused in the case. You are reading the statement of accused.
TMS Rao also.
Yes, he is also an accused.
The money has been delivered also.
So he is also accused in the case.
Yes.
How his statement would be relied upon, Malad?
So how you could record his statement? ये अप्रूवर हो गए हैं क्या?
नहीं अप्रूवर नहीं है, कस्टडी में है।
अभी नहीं है, अप्रूवल नहीं।
Then how you could record his statement?
इनको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है, and he was along with C. Krishna. इन्हीं के लिए एलिगेशन का है, सी कृष्णा ने जाके इनको पैसा दिया, और राव का जो है ये कह रहे हैं रिकॉर्ड करें हमने कन्वर्सेशन, और राव इज हिमसेल्फ एन अक्यूज्ड ओवर हियर। हमारे खिलाफ डिमांड has been recorded in consequences of the investigation lawsuit. Then he disclosed this fact that he delivered this much of amount to present applicant. But he has not been arrested lawsuit, but he has been made an accused. So far as the present stage.
So nothing is before court.
But kindly have a look at para 8 of the reply, Maro. That the averments made in para 5.2 is baseless. There is evidence in the form of recorded conversation, oral and documentary evidence that during the relevant period, applicant accused, Brajesh Kumar Sahu, that is the present applicant, was the Deputy General Manager and Project Director NHAI PIU Harda, and handling the project Harda, executed by company of Shri Anil Bansal and Kunal Bansal. During his tenure, PCOD was issued for the project. Investigation has revealed that on 28/2/24, Shri TMS Rao delivered the bribe amount of rupees 20.5 lakhs to the present applicant Brajesh Kumar Sahu. तो ऊपर से अगर देखेंगे, there is evidence in the form of the recorded conversation, oral and documentary evidence that during the relevant period he was posted over there. ये काम हुआ था. डिमांड की कोई बात नहीं है, उस कन्वर्सेशन में भी डिमांड. If that was so, my lord, the CBI would have been good enough to have filed that transcription. It hardly takes any time. In all those cases, wherever there is a case of
Anything else?
Yes.
That's
Also, just can you appreciate for a moment, paragraph 8, 10 as 10 and 11 also of the reply.
Yes.
There is strong evidence on record in the form that regarding conversation among accused persons, including applicant, regarding the demand and delivery of the bribe, documents seized from the office residence of the various accused persons, statement of the witnesses and evidence of the delivery and the recovery of the
So
bribe.
where it is? Where is evidence?
Paragraph 10 also.
No. So these are only pleadings. Where is evidence?
Your Lordship, this is the reason, the Lordship, that the investigation still has been going on, and we have completed only a month's time from the date of arresting of these persons. So investigation still has to be completed, Lordship. And the person, he has been the officer of the NHA. And Lordship, he can influence to the witnesses because in relation to the relevant documents which has been seized, we have to further investigate the matter. We have to record the statement of the various persons, Lordship. So this is the reason that we have been just taking an objection for granting the bail in respect of the present applicant, because if he would be released on the bail, definitely he will influence to the witnesses. Because ultimately, let's say, even the voice identification also has to be recorded, and the sample has to be taken from the concerned persons who has been working in the hierarchy and the subordination of the present applicant laws. So definitely, Lordship, he is in the positions to influence the witnesses. This is the main ground, Lordship, which has been taken in this.
Yes, Mr. Das.
only sufficient, my lord, demand is not there. Absolutely no demand is there.
My lord, so far as I'm concerned, I've been made an accused with the aid of section 8 and section 12. Now, if we see to, my lord, what has been argued before this Honorable Court, there is nothing except the barred version of the co-accused persons. On the last date of hearing, Lordship wanted to see who are the witnesses. That was the reason why the case diary was called. Now, there are no witnesses in this case. It is the accused persons who have been said to be delivering the article, and the person receiving the article, they have been made the accused, and their statements have been got recorded over here. Now, where is the question that the accused will be tampered, or what is the basis of what is the value of that particular statement of the accused persons? You have already completed all that.
What is allegation against you?
The allegation against me is that the work and contracts were given to the present applicant. It is not the case that the applicant themselves have gone over there. It is said that the employee working for the present applicant is said to have gone, and he is said to have delivered certain amount of money. That is what the allegation is there. Now, there is no complaint by anyone. It is the source information on the basis of which an offence has been got registered. What I pointed out on the last date of hearing, whether an offence under section 8 would be made out or not, that would also be doubtful, because what it says is that if I am compelled to give a bribe, then I have a time to report to the matter of 7 days. Now, there is nothing. They say that the incident, the FIR is said to have been recorded on 3/3 that the offence has been registered, and on 27/2, the person in the employment of the present applicant are said to have gone over there. Now, and given it to Mr. Sahu and to Mr. Arvind Kalyan 28 to 2024. They also say that way back a month ago, certain amount was delivered to somebody else, but there is no evidence. Myself say, where is the conversation that I have directed anyone or somebody else has demanded the amount of money, or that the present applicant themselves had gone and delivered the amount of money? The maximum sentence awardable is 7 years. We are in jail. Now it is like this one. Now today you are objecting to the bail application over here. We were arrested. We were produced before the special court on 4/4. From 4/4 to 4/3 to 9/3 we were in custody. 9/3 they were further extended up to 12/3. After 12/3 you yourself say that we don't require you. You have sent us to jail. This is the statement which has been given by them before the remand court, that our investigation so far as you are concerned is over. We don't require your custody anymore. Now, what I humbly submit now, merely for the sake that the charge sheet is to be filed, this investigation may take a long process. Now, there is no allegation that during this interim period, I have also tampered with any of the witnesses.
Yes, prosecution.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, just for a moment, may kindly appreciate the provision of section 8.
Applicant के against में क्या है? What is the any evidence against applicant?
Lordship, again, there has been the same status because the recorded conversation has been there of the present applicants with the subordinate workers, subordinate officers working in that company, in order to deliver that amount of the bribe to the officers from the NHA.
Yes.
and that mobiles and the other laptop have been seized belonging to these applicants, and the data has been already extracted also, and there again the same process has been going on for the preparation of the transcript and other things. And the voice identification also is still to be done also. So far as the statement is concerned, Lordship, there has been there's some statement. Lordship, just may kindly appreciate. That is one Mr. Karan Kumar Dhaske.
So what is your objection for bail? अभी तो आपके you don't have any evidence as such. Your custodial investigation is over.
Yes.
And what is the objection?
Objection only, the main
They will
objection
be
is that
Kannada,
Lordship.
they will be available for trial.
Objection only in respect of that, looking to the status of the present applicant, also that they would influence to the witnesses because they have been working under the subordination. That is there, Lordship, that is there. But the main objection has been to that extent, Lordship, because looking to the status of this.
It is very bald allegation that they may influence the witness. Everybody can influence the witness anytime.
Because here in this particular case, Lordship, that
And
because.
there is no witness in this case. Only co-accused persons are there.
No. So there is a witness in this matter also.
Witness
Yes.
is only for recovery.
No, not for the recovery, even respect of the some conversation and demand and other things.
Witness hai. It is
No,
mobile
look,
conversation.
for the demand of the bribe and other things. Lordship, just may kindly appreciate.
This is also nothing. इसमें भी कुछ नहीं है. Applicants. Applicant has filed first application under section 439 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for release on bail for committing offences under section so and so. Learned senior counsel appearing for applicant submitted that applicant is general manager. Yes, Mr. Khare. That applicant is director of NHAI. And
project, NHI project, Harda.
NHAI project
Harda.
Harda, full stop. It is submitted that an amount of rupees 20 lakhs has been recovered from his house during a raid conducted by CBI.
Not NHA.
It is further submitted.
PIU.
Yes.
It also PIU instead of NHA. PIU or
Director PA. क्या लिखा है? By CBI, it is submitted that applicant is having means to earn the said amount, full stop. There is no evidence available on record to show that applicant had demanded any bribe, full stop. It is further submitted that in absence of evidence, applicant cannot be kept behind the bars. It is further submitted that custodial investigation of applicant is over and he is no longer required in custody for further investigation of case. Further investigation may take a long time. It is also submitted that offence is punishable up to 7 years of imprisonment, full stop. In absence of demand, in absence of evidence of demand, no offences under section 7 of PC Act 1988 is made out against him, full stop. In these circumstances, applicant be released on bail. standing counsel appearing for CBI submitted that a recorded conversation is available, full stop. In said conversation, applicant is talking with one, क्या नाम है? Krishna?
With
TMS
Rao.
TMS Rao.
One TMS Rao, full stop. Demand was made and same was also accepted and has been recovered, full stop. CD of said recorded conversation is not available, nor transcript has been prepared as such, full stop. During course of argument, it has been submitted by learned senior counsel for applicant that there is no allegations, it has not been mentioned in reply that demand has been made by applicant in said conversation. Heard the counsel for the parties on going through facts of the case, it is found that no evidence of demand is available against the applicant. Witnesses of demand or acceptance is also not available. CBI has recorded statement of co-accused person on basis of which foundation of case is laid down. Considering the totality of facts and circumstances of the case, application is allowed. Applicant be released on bail on furnishing personal bond and surety, 10 lakhs, to surety, on condition that applicant will not. There are any witnesses?
Yes, no, sir.
Any conditions you want? Applicant will
This will
make.
not leave the
Applicant will
jurisdiction
be
of the
available for investigation before the investigating officer as and when required. Applicant will not leave the country without seeking prior permission of this court. Any other?
But the post, in fact, he is carrying the post of Deputy General Manager and Project Director, NHAI PIU Harda. This is the
Deputy
post.
General Manager,
Deputy General Manager and Project Director,
Project Director,
NHAI PIU Harda.
NHAI PIU Harda.
Highly obliged, madam.
Applicants,
And also one more condition may be added also that they should not interact with the persons to whom that we made a witness in this matter also.
applicant will not try to
Yes.
influence the witnesses or try to contact them in any way.
Yes, Lord. Highly obliged, sir.
Applicants has filed first application under section 439 of Code of Criminal Procedure for grant of bail. CBI has registered offences under section so and so against the applicants. Learned senior counsel appearing for applicants submitted that only allegation is made that applicant has paid bribe through his employees to officials of NHAI, full stop. It is submitted that no evidence is available against the applicant that he instructed his employees to pay bribe to said officials, full stop. In absence of any evidence, applicant cannot be kept behind the bar. It is further submitted that custodial investigation of applicant is over and he is no longer required for custodial investigation. It is also submitted that applicant will cooperate in investigation and trial and will not try to influence the witnesses in any way. Full stop. Government counsel appearing for CBI opposed the prayer for grant of bail. It is submitted that applicants are highly are
The director of
influential persons and directors of the company. They are in a position to influence the witnesses of the case. Full stop. In these circumstances, applicant may not be released on bail. Heard the counsel for the parties, offences alleged against the applicant is punishable up to 7 years of imprisonment. There is no evidence available on record to show that applicants had instructed his employee to pay bribe to officials of NHAI. In absence of evidence against the applicants, they cannot be kept behind bars only on basis of suspicion. Full stop. Custodial investigation of applicants are over. In these circumstances of the case, application filed by the applicants is allowed. Applicant be released on bail. सेम कर देना 5 lakhs each, 10 lakhs each कर देना,
Great,
two
good.
sureties
Right.
with condition that applicant will be available for investigation of case when required. Applicant will not try to contact the witnesses or try to influence them in any way.
Hello.
Right.
But serial number 93 similarly placed, IO is present, diary is present, may be kept tomorrow or on 8th.
So your case is already fixed. Let them file their reply because they have to go through the material which is available against you.
Wrong, 8th or 9th, because already lordship has heard also.
Yes.
Similarly placed.
कब के लिए फिक्स किया? 15
8 को करके.
will you be in position to file reply?
IO is here, diary is here.
I will trail also. It may be
Eight.
kept on 8th, and
Eighth.
if in case I will be filing it, then.
Yes.
32.2 also.
Ah, yes, same.
Great, Lord. सब तो आज file कर दो.
हाँ, दोनों 8 के लिए.